Hey guys, welcome to another episode of App Academy. Get ready for your dose of app wisdom from AppyPie. Now, there's this age-old question of whether there's any possibility of making some money with it. I'm here to give you 5 amazing facts about why you should consider investing in making an app for your business. Number 1. Nearly 10,000 apps have individually generated over $1 million in consumer spending since 2010, with 2,293 apps generating in the range of $1 million to $10 million in 2017 alone. Number 2. iOS consumer spending is growing at a rate faster than the number of app downloads and has generated more than twice the amount of Google Play Store in 2017. Number 3. iOS App Store spending is expected to grow by more than 80% over the next 5 years, racing from $42.5 billion in 2017 to a forecasted $75.7 billion in 2022. Number 4. Although gaming apps only accounted for 31% of the total downloads in 2017, they represent more than 75% in consumer spending. Number 5. United States is still at the top with 40.1 billion downloads and $36 billion in revenue. However, China is not far behind with 39.9 billion downloads and $27.7 billion in consumer spending. Now, these facts clearly indicate that the app economy has been on a boom and isn't showing any signs of slowing down anytime soon. For all of you who stayed till the end of the video, here's a bonus fact just for you guys. Now, in 2017, free apps were downloaded over 250 billion times globally. For paid apps, however, the number stood at 15 billion. So, do not waste even a single moment and start building your app with AppyPie now. You are watching the latest episode of App Academy. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe buttons and stay tuned to our channel for more such awesome stuff.